Good morning everyone. Welcome to the official YouTube channel of Officers Adda 24/7. My name is Amanjot and I am here with all of you to discuss the another session on the PPB. So first of all, it's a principles and practices of banking session in which we are discussing the target series. On a particular topic, we are having a multiple number of questions that will be helping you to cover your syllabus in the detail. Okay, so let's start the session. Before starting the session, a very good morning to all of you, and if you are new to the channel of Officers Adda 24/7, then do subscribe the channel and press the bell icon so that all the upcoming sessions notification will be given to you. Okay, so let's start the session, and in this particular session we are going to talk about the money laundering. So this is the not the second part but the third part of money laundering. This is the third part of money laundering. One second, let me correct it. So already two parts we have discussed about the money laundering. This is the third part we are going to discuss. It means now today we are going to discuss another 10 questions. So total 30 questions we will be completing on the money laundering part only. Okay, let's start. So before that, I want to tell you all that right now the double validity on all the JAIIB CIB Mahapack with the 81% off is going on. So for 1% additional discount, you have to use the coins that is available on the application. Now, how to get this offer? You have to use the code Y496 on a particular product and you will be getting this particular offer. Right? Now, how to enroll in the Mahapack? What are the benefits of the Mahapack? I will be letting you know in the end of the session. So do be with me in the end of the session. Okay. So let's start the session with the first question that is talking about money laundering means. So what do you mean by money laundering? First of question is asking about. First is saying conversion of assets to invest in laundromats, conversion of cash into gold to make them legitimate. Third, conversion of assets into cash to make them legitimate. Fourth, conversion of money which is illegally obtained to make them legitimate. So which of the following is the right option in regards to the money laundering? A, B, C or D? Which of the following will be correct? A, B, C or D? Which of the following is correct? So we are talking about money laundering. Money laundering simply is a process. Hana? What kind of process it is? It's a process to convert the black money into the white money. That is the money laundering. So when you are converting the black money into white money, that will be known as your money laundering. So which of the following option is defining that conversion of black money into white money? Okay. So the right answer will be your D, that is conversion of money which is illegally obtained to make them legitimate. So the right answer will be your D option. Okay, the correct answer is D. Now, next. The second question is talking about the amount beyond which cash transactions are to be monitored by the commercial bank as stipulated by the RBI in its guidelines is. So after what amount the transaction should be what we can say, transactions should be monitored by the banks as per the RBI's guidelines. What amount is it? Is it 5 lakh and above, 10 lakhs and above, 12 lakhs and above, or none of the above? Which of the following is correct? So after what amount the transactions of cash should be monitored? A, B, C or D? A, B, C or D? Which of the following is correct? So apart from that, cash transaction report also we study in the banking. So the cash transaction report is kind of similar that we are talking about here in the option. Okay, so the right answer will be yours. Some are saying 10 lakhs, some are saying 5 lakhs. So in case of cash transaction report, it should be 10 lakh. Hana? If you have to CTR, if you have to report the CTR, cash transaction report, the amount should be 10 lakh and more than 10 lakh should be there. In case of CTR, cash transaction report, and that CTR report should be given to the FIUIND. Now what is FIUIND? Financial Intelligence Unit India. Hana? That is Financial Intelligence Unit India we are talking about. So in case of your transactions regarding the money, funds regarding the money, you are doing the cash transaction, that should be compiled 10 lakh. Hana? So similarly, in the cash transactions, 10 lakhs and above transactions should be monitored by the commercial banks as per the RBI's guidelines. Okay, so the right answer will be a 10 lakh and above. Similarly, in case of cash transaction report, same thing is there, but that report should be given on the 15th of your succeeding month to the FIUIND. Okay, Financial Intelligence Unit, India. Chaliye, next question is talking about, right answer will be B. Next question is talking about indicators of suspicious transaction of the customer account are. So which of the following is there? Indicators of suspicious transaction of the customer accounts are: first, the sudden increase in cash deposit; second, depositing high value third party checks endorsed in the favor of account holder; third, receipt or payment of large sum of cash which have no obvious purpose; and the fourth one is all of the above. So what do you think, which of the following is correct? What do you think, which of the following is correct? Indicators of suspicious transaction of customer account. So if I talk about suspicious transaction report, that suspicious transaction report should be given to the FIUIND, and when it will be given, after within the 7 days. Within 7 days, you have find out that the transaction is suspicious. Hana, then you have to give the report. So the right answer, very good, the right answer will be all of the above. All are the part of the indicators which let you know that which of the following is a suspicious transaction. So the right answer will be all of the above. Now the next question is talking about, fourth question. Under the KYC guidelines, banks need to conduct EDD, that is enhanced due diligence, in all the following cases except in case of dash. So we are saying that under the KYC guidelines or under the KYC policies, all the banks have to or need to conduct the enhanced due diligence in all the following cases except one case. First is personal customer with a small deposit, correspondent accounts, non-face-to-face customer, firms with sleeping partners. Which of the following is correct? A, B, C or D? So the right answer for this particular question will be personal customers with the small deposits. Very good. So there is no need in case of your personal customer with the small deposits. So enhanced due diligence is done by the banks in case of KYC guidelines. So it is not required. Hana, banks need to conduct enhanced due diligence in all the cases except your personal customer with the small deposits. Next. So right answer is A option. Next question is talking about that AML KYC guidelines are issued under which of the following act. So under these of the following act, in which act the AML KYC guidelines has been issued. First is saying PSS Act, second is saying RB Act, third is saying PMLA Act, fourth is saying NI Act. So the years of act is, this is the 2007 year, this is RB Act 1934, this is PMLA Act 2002, and this is NI Act 1881. Also remember the years of the act. Right, so which of the following act is there in which the AML KYC guidelines are issued? A, B, C or D? So the right answer for this particular question will be your C. Obviously C, Prevention of Money Laundering Act 2002. Apart from this act, Banking Regulation Act is also there, in which a limited guidelines about the AML KYC has been given. So here the right answer will be C, PMLA Act. Okay, next. Next question next question is talking about which of the following is an objective of KYC. So by which, for which objective we are performing the KYC policies or KYC guidelines? First, to monitor the transaction of suspicious nature, to ensure appropriate customer identification. C, both A and B, and D will be none. So which of the following will be correct? A, B, C or D? Okay, so the right answer will be both A and B. To monitor the transaction of suspicious nature as well as to ensure the appropriate customer identification. Both are the objectives of the KYC, right? Now, the seventh question. So the right option will be your C option. Seventh question is talking about the implementation. The implementation of KYC in banks primarily addresses which one of the following risk? So we are talking about that the implementation of KYC in banks primarily addresses which one of the following risk? Is it a reputational risk, legal risk, money laundering risk, or market risk? What kind of risk is there? The implementation of KYC in banks primarily addresses which type of risk? That's a very simple question. You are talking about the KYC. Now, the KYC was introduced by RBI to control the money laundering. So simply the right answer will be your C option, money laundering risk. Okay, the right answer will be your C option. That is the money laundering risk. Next. So C is the correct option. Now, next question, eighth question is talking about who provides the format of CTR? Is it RBI, is it FIU, is it FATF, or is it Ministry of Finance? So who provides the format of CTR to us? CTR to banks. Okay, so the right answer for this question, the format of CTR is provided by FIU stands for Financial Intelligence Unit, FATF is simply your Financial Action Task Force, MOF means Ministry of Finance, and RBI is the central bank. Okay, so the right answer is RBI. RBI provide the format of CTR. So the right answer will be your B option. Okay, next. Now next question is talking about that principal officer is appointed by which of the following? The principal officers are appointed by which of the following? First, shareholders, second, RBI, third, board of directors, fourth, senior management. So, principal officers in the bank will be appointed by which of the following? So, there are two functionaries who are looking at the AML KYC guidelines under the bank, that they are the authorities who are responsible to check that bank are following the certain guidelines or not. First is designated director and the second one is your principal officer, right? So which of the following is correct? Shareholders, RBI, board of directors, senior management. So the right answer will be obviously not the shareholder. The right answer will be board of directors. Okay, C will be the correct option, board of directors. So principal officer is appointed by the board of directors. Right, next question. Next question is talking about that if you find some suspicious transaction, what will you do? If you find, like as a banker, you find out in your bank that there are certain suspicious transaction is going on. So what will be your next step in that situation? First is saying inform your manager, second is saying inform your superior, third is saying inform the police, or fourth is saying both A and B. Which of the following will be correct? So whom you will inform in case you find out any suspicious transaction? A, B, C or D? So right answer will be your D, or I can say it should not be both A and B, it should be either A or B, whoever you find out to be informing about the suspicious transaction. Okay, so either if you find the manager, you can confirm the transaction, you can tell the transaction about the transaction to the manager, or you can go to the superior also. Okay, so right answer will be your D option. Right. So now let me know out of 10 questions how many answers you have given correct, and also those candidates who are watching the session on recording, also let me know that how much you scored out of 10. Okay. So out of 10, how much you score? Let me know. Till now, I will let you know that from the 17th of February, then 2 new batches are going to start. Bilingual and English medium, both are available. And in this batches, you will be getting the conceptual classes. Okay, conceptual classes will be there. Test series will be there. Apart from that, you will have your e-books also. E-books transactions, e-books will be also available. So to enroll in any of the batch, you can use the code Y496 and you will be getting the 81% discount for today only. Okay, apart from that, you can go with the your test series of JAIIB of all the 4 subject combined full mock test, that is for JAIIB 2023. 50 plus tests are available. By using a code Y496 you can enroll in that. Okay. Now apart from that, the much better option for all of you, because right now the double validity is going on. So the JAIIB, CIB Mahapacks are having a double validity plus the 81% discount on all the Mahapacks. By using a code Y496 you can avail this offer. Now what is actually the target batch and the Mahapack? In the target batch you will be getting the conceptual classes, ebooks and test series. In the Mahapack you will be getting, apart from that, the upcoming in future the revision batches, the case study batches, the numerical batches, and or it can be a MCQ batch at the time of exam when it will be introduced. And the validity is 2 years and 1 year, so you will be easily able to qualify the JAIIB and the CIB. Okay, how to enroll? To enroll, do download the application. If you haven't downloaded the application, do download now, because 1% additional discount is available. Now how to enroll? Just to enroll, just click on the JAIIB. If you want to go with the target batch, click on the JAIIB 23. Okay, if you want to go with the Mahapack, click here. So this is the JAIIB, CIB, all the batches which is available. How to enroll? Do check all the batches which are right now running on the application. And to enroll, if you want to go with the English medium batch, click on the particular batch. Do read all the details. After reading all the details, you have to click on the buy now option. When you click on the buy now, you will enter a code here that will be Y496 and click on the apply. When you apply, you will find 80% discount it is showing, but 1% additional discount will be available for you on the Adda 24/7 application. Okay, by the same code, you have to use the same code and you will get 1% additional discount there. By using the coins there. Okay, and 6 months validity, all the 4 subjects will be covered. Now the much better option apart from that will be your Mahapacks, because you can see double validity is going on and the 81% discount is also there. So if you want to go with the JAIIB Mahapack, JAIIB CIB Mahapack, around 10,000 something you have to pay here. If you want to go with the JAIIB ka Mahapack, you have to pay around 6,500. So you can see only 1 year validity is there, 6 plus 6 months validity, and it will be covering only JAIIB. It will have 12 plus 12 months, it means 2 years validity. By the JAIIB, CIB, both will be covered. The CIB, elective paper as well as compulsory paper, everything will be available. And you can see the price difference, so the much better option to invest will be JAIIB, CIB, Mahapack, okay? If you do the cost benefit analysis, but it's up to you. Whatever product you want to enroll, just click on the particular product. The process to enroll is same. Then click on the buy now option, enter a code here, Y496, and click on the apply. When you apply, again the same discount will be showed to you, that is 80%, but for 1% additional discount, again you have to go to the application and use the coins there. So 2 years validity, JAIIB, CIB, both English medium bilingual, 10,000 plus 10,799 minus 1% discount will be also available here. So you will have to pay around 10,500 something to get the offer. Okay, so this is the information, and this double validity plus 81% discount is available till 12 PM today. So if you are thinking about enrolling, use the code Y496 and get this offer before the 12 PM. Okay, chaliye, so let's end the session here. Last but not the least, if you are new to the channel of Officers Adda 24/7, then do not forget to subscribe the channel and press the bell icon so that all the upcoming sessions notification be given to you. Apart from that, do not forget to share the session with your friends and colleagues who are preparing for the same exam. And let's meet again at 8 AM with the Indian Economy, Indian Financial System Target Series. Okay, so thank you for joining the session and have a good day. Take care all.